أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Here's process macro model 6 serial mediation. Model 6 with two mediators. Now what is a serial mediation? Serial mediation hypothesizes a causal chain linking the mediators. Now in this case the two mediators that are linked are M1 and M2. Now these two variables M1 and M2 mediate the relationship between X and Y. So what happens is X influences M1, M1 influences M2 and M2 influences Y. So the impact of X on Y is passing through these two mediators. In this example, I'm taking all of these as continuous variables. Model 6 allows up to 4 mediators operating in serial. Now in this example, I'm just taking 2 mediators. Now the indirect effect of X on Y through M is A1, B1, that is AI, whatever number you want to give it to, or BI. So the influence of X on Y, that is X on Y, through M, through this variable only, would be the multiplication of X on M1, that is your A1, let's call it A1, and from M1 to Y, let's call it B1. Now what is your indirect effect of X on Y through M1 and M2? This is A1 multiplied by this effect, let's call it D, and let's call this effect here from M2 to Y B2. So your indirect effect of X on Y through M1 and M2 would be A1, that is this path, multiplied by this path, multiplied by this path. The direct effect is shown by C complement. Now in this example, I'm taking culture as my independent variable, performance as my dependent variable, commitment as my mediator number 1, assurance as my mediator number 2. Now these two variables are the mediators that will help explain the mechanism of impact of culture on performance. That is, whether or not commitment and assurance serially mediate the relationship between culture and performance. Indirect effect of culture on performance through commitment is A1B1, that is, the impact of culture on performance through commitment would be A1 here multiplied by B1. Indirect effect of culture on performance through assurance would be A2 multiplied by B2. Indirect effect of culture on performance through both the mediators would be A1 multiplied by D multiplied by B2. Now how do we run it in SPSS? Let's go to SPSS. So we go to Analyze, Regression, Process Macro. My dependent variable is organizational performance. My independent variable is culture. My first mediator is commitment. The other one is assurance. I'm looking to do serial mediation, so model number 6. Go to options. I need total effects. You can have standardized effects as well. Let's have them as well. Nothing is required here. Just press continue and press OK. Now here is the output. Again, mediator 1, mediator 2, Y, X, model 6, all this is fine. And since we've got multiple outcome variables, so each outcome variable is summarized separately, as we have already discussed in previous sessions as well. Now all this output here is presented in the slides. So let's go back. Now we've got the options. Now how do we interpret this output? The first one, as we have already discussed. So this is basic summary. It's always a good idea just go through the basic summary so that you are sure you haven't made a mistake. So the first thing that we are going to interpret is the model summary. Now look at this. You've got a summary for each outcome variable. The first one is commitment. And commitment is being influenced only by culture. Is the impact of culture on commitment significant? Well, yes, it is significant. T-value is greater than 1.96. And there is no 0 in between. The other outcome variable is assurance. Here, this model that we presented, this is just the part of the model. So assurance is another outcome variable that is influenced by two variables, that is your culture and commitment. And are the paths significant? Well, yes, the culture has a significant impact on assurance, and commitment has a significant impact on assurance as well. Again, there is no zero in between. The t-value is greater than 1.96. Here the results are summarized with the b-value, the t-value, and the p-value. Path A1 from culture to commitment, path A2 from culture to assurance here, and path D from commitment to assurance. Now all these three paths are significant. Moving on, the other important outcome variable is performance that is being affected by commitment, culture, and assurance. Are these paths significant? Well, yes, all these three paths are significant with your lower level confidence interval, upper level confidence interval presented, and there is no zero in between. All the t-values are greater than 1.96. This is just the summary of this output. Let's do one. Now let's have a look at this one. Culture has a significant impact on OP. Culture has a significant impact on performance. Is it? Yes, the beta value is 0.2251, the t-value is 4.3047, and the p-value is less than 0.001. This is just the description of what we have here in the output. Again, similarly, commitment was found to have a significant impact on OP, and similarly, assurance was significant as well. Now, up till now, all the paths have been significant and positive. Now, here is the total effect. If you look here, the total effect from culture to organizational performance is 0.5653. We are just going to discuss this in detail in the next slide. Indirect, direct, and total effect. So again, the total effect 0.5653. If you standardize it, it's 0.5555. Now, you've got multiple indirect effects here. Now, the direct effect, that is your C complement, which we saw earlier, is significant as well. We have got multiple indirect effects. The indirect effect number 1 is from culture to commitment to performance. Is it significant? Yes, it's significant. Look at this here. No zero in between. So, commitment does mediate the relationship between culture and performance. How do I get this 0.2030? So you multiply the effect A1 that we got earlier into B1 and you get 0.2032. The next or the second indirect effect, A2, B2, that is from culture to assurance, assurance to performance. Culture to assurance is A2 as we saw earlier, assurance to performance is B2. You simply multiply it, you get this particular output, same as this. Now, is there a mediation? Yes, because there is no zero in between. And if you just simply divide this effect size by this standard error, you are going to get t value or t statistic, which will be greater than 1.96. And finally, this is what we are interested in, the indirect effect number 3, that is from culture to commitment to assurance to OP. Now, this is the key for the indirect effects, IND1, IND2, IND3. Here it is, 1, 2, 3. Now, in this case, your indirect effect from culture to performance through these two mediators is significant. Why? Because if you look here, the effect size 0.0704, the bootstrap standard error, if you divide the two, you get the t-value which is greater than 1.96 and there is no zero in between. So, your serial mediation hypothesis is supported. So, direct effect 0.2251 as we mentioned earlier, which is significant. So your total effect is sum of all indirect effects here and your direct effect. This will give you the total effect. Now, is there mediation? Yes, because all three indirect effects are significant and we are concerned about indirect effect number 3 here. This is just standardized. Is it full or partial? Now, in this case, it's partial because your direct effect is also significant. So some of the effect is passing through this path here, and some of the effect is passing directly from culture to performance. Is it complementary? Well, in this case, all the paths are positive, so it's a complementary mediation. Now, how do you present your output? So first you give your hypothesis, commitment, and assurance serially mediate the relationship between collaborative culture and organizational performance. The next step is to describe your output. Now, the first thing that you do is you simply present your hypothesis. The study assessed the serial mediation with commitment and assurance, serially mediating the relationship between collaborative culture and organizational performance. The results revealed a significant indirect effect of collaborative culture on organizational performance through commitment and assurance. Now here is your beta value, here it is, your t value. You simply divide this indirect effect by the standard error as we saw earlier and you get your t value. And your hypothesis 1 is supported. Furthermore, the direct effect, that is from collaborative culture to performance, was significant as well. Here it is, there is partial serial mediation of commitment and assurance on the relationship between collaborative culture and organizational performance. The results are presented in table 1 just like this, and again t statistics is calculated by dividing the indirect effect by standard error, that is your indirect effect 0.0704 divided by 0.0224, which was your standard error, and you get your t statistic. You can again look at this one here, 0.0704 divided by 0.0224. I hope this session would have helped you understand how to perform serial mediation using Hayes process macro. Thank you very much.